ICE detains you or someone you love, don't panic. I know that's hard, but listen to this. I'm an immigration attorney and I help clients avoid detention by applying for immigration relief, but I help clients get out of these situations as well. These are the steps that may protect you or your family right now. I need you to know what to do if you're ever taken. 1. Don't say a word about where you were born or how you entered the U.S. This is your Fifth Amendment right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself. ICE will ask questions like, where are you from? How did you get here? Are you a citizen? You are not required to answer these questions. Just say instead, I'm using my right to remain silent and I want to speak to my lawyer. Even giving one wrong answer could make your case harder and they could use this against you. 2, don't sign anything. Without a lawyer, ICE may pressure you to sign forms like a voluntary departure or stipulated removal. Once you sign, you could be deported fast, sometimes within hours. Instead, say, I will not sign anything without a lawyer present. That is your right. 3, ask for your A number and detention location. This is how your family or your lawyer can find you. Your alien registration number starts with an A followed by 8 or 9 digits. Text it to a trusted loved one immediately if you're allowed to, or at the next opportunity, like your first phone call. And be sure you have an emergency plan in place before something like this happens, and an emergency contact who has access to funds, your documents, and your lawyer. 4, tell ICE if you're afraid to return to your country. Say clearly, I'm afraid to go back. I want to speak to an asylum officer. This triggers protection laws, especially where you've been here under 2 years. Being here for under 2 years may mean you'll be targeted with expedited removal without seeing a judge. It's critical to do this if you're afraid to return to your country, even if you've never filed asylum before. 5, contact a lawyer or have family call one immediately. Time is of the essence. ICE moves quickly. A lawyer can stop your deportation. They can request your release through bond. They can build your legal defense, and they can help you to file for other types of relief like VAWA, asylum, the T visa, U visa, and other relief. I know because I've done this for my clients. Have your family call an immigration lawyer as soon as they hear you're detained. After detention, you'll likely be transferred to a detention center. ICE may try to deport you fast, especially if you have signed something. But if you stay quiet, don't sign, and speak to your lawyer first, you may have options. You may qualify for bond, parole, the work permit, cancellation of removal, protection under VAWA, asylum, the T visa or U visa, or even termination of removal. Detention is terrifying, but it doesn't have to be the end. People get out, and yes, people do win and people do stay, but only when they know their rights, they act fast and strategically. Share this with someone you love. Text it to your cousin, your aunt, your WhatsApp group, because knowing this could save you from being removed from this country.